What if I told you there's one simple technique that improves your English speaking faster than anything else, and almost nobody talks about it? Not in textbooks, not in most classes. Today, we're revealing it completely.
Yes, and once you learn this, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Kate.
Hi everyone, I am Martin. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.
And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. It really helps us grow.
Also, comment below and tell us what method have you already tried to improve your speaking.
We really want to know. It helps us understand what you've already explored.
So, Martin, today's topic is honestly one of my favorites. The fastest way to improve English speaking nobody tells you about.
I love this topic too, Kate, because it's something most learners never even try.
Exactly. People try grammar books, vocabulary apps, listening practice.
All useful things, but they miss this one powerful technique.
Right. And once someone discovers it, their speaking improves so quickly.
So many learners message us saying, I've studied for years, but my speaking is still slow.
That's true. This happens so often, even to dedicated learners.
They know grammar, they know vocabulary, but speaking still feels difficult.
Exactly. And today, we're going to explain exactly why that happens.
And more importantly, how to fix it, starting today.
Let's start by talking about why traditional methods alone aren't enough.
Great idea. Let's explain the real problem clearly first.
Martin, why do you think grammar and vocabulary study alone doesn't create fast speaking improvement?
Great question. It's because speaking is a completely different skill.
What do you mean by that exactly?
Well, think about it. Knowing grammar rules is knowledge.
Right, like knowing the theory.
Exactly. But speaking requires actually producing language in real time.
Ah, I see. It's like the difference between knowing how to swim
And actually swimming in the water.
Perfect comparison. You can read about swimming for years.
But you won't actually swim well until you practice swimming itself.
Exactly the same with speaking English.
Right. Grammar and vocabulary give you the tools.
But speaking practice is what actually builds the skill.
This is such an important distinction that many learners miss.
So now let's reveal the technique. What exactly is this fastest method?
Okay, here it is. The technique is called shadowing.
I know we've mentioned this briefly before, but today let's go deep into it.
Yes, because shadowing truly deserves its own complete explanation.
So, Martin, explain shadowing simply for our viewers.
Of course, shadowing means listening to English and repeating it at the same time.
Not after the sentence finishes, but while it's still playing.
Exactly. You speak almost exactly with the speaker, like a shadow following them.
That's why it's called shadowing. You become their shadow speaking-wise.
I love that image. It really explains the name perfectly.
So why does this simple technique work so incredibly well?
Great question. Let's break down the real reasons.
Reason number 1, it trains your mouth muscles.
Right. Speaking is physical. Your mouth needs to move in specific ways for English sounds.
Exactly. Many learners' mouths simply aren't trained for these movements.
Shadowing forces repeated practice of these exact movements.
This builds muscle memory, just like learning any physical skill.
Reason number 2, it improves your speaking speed naturally.
How does that work exactly?
Well, when you shadow, you're forced to keep up with natural speaking speed.
Ah, I see. You can't pause to think because the audio keeps going.
Exactly. This trains your brain to think and speak faster.
That's such a powerful benefit for fluency.
Reason number 3, it improves your pronunciation and rhythm.
Right, because you're copying a native speaker's exact sounds.
Exactly. Their stress, their rhythm, their intonation, all at once.
This is much more effective than studying pronunciation rules alone.
Absolutely. You're learning through direct imitation, which is incredibly powerful.
Reason number 4, it connects listening and speaking together.
This is such an important point.
Explain more about that, Martin.
Well, many learners practice listening and speaking separately.
Right, like listening one day, speaking practice another day.
But in real conversations, you listen and speak together constantly.
Shadowing trains exactly that combined skill.
Exactly. It mirrors real conversation much more closely than other methods.
This makes total sense why it works so fast.
Reason number 5, it builds confidence quickly.
How so?
Because you're literally speaking like a native speaker sentence by sentence.
Even if it feels difficult at first, you're hearing real progress quickly.
Exactly. And that quick progress builds motivation and confidence.
These 5 reasons explain perfectly why shadowing works so fast.
Absolutely. It's honestly one of the most underrated techniques out there.
So, why doesn't everyone know about this already?
Good question. I think it's because it feels a little uncomfortable at first.
What do you mean by that?
Well, shadowing means talking while listening, which feels strange initially.
Ah, I see. It's not a comfortable method like reading quietly.
Exactly. It requires active effort and a little bit of courage.
That's true. Many people avoid things that feel uncomfortable even if they're effective.
Right. But that discomfort is exactly why it works so well.
Just like exercise, the uncomfortable ones often bring the biggest results.
Exactly that kind of comparison.
So let's talk about how someone can actually start shadowing correctly.
Yes, let's give a clear step-by-step process.
Step 1, choose short audio content.
This could be a short video, podcast clip, or even a movie scene.
Right, keep it short, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute at first.
Starting small makes the technique much more manageable.
Step 2, listen to the clip first without speaking.
This helps you understand the content and general rhythm.
Right, you're just familiarizing yourself before attempting to shadow.
Step 3, play the audio again and try speaking along immediately.
Don't worry about being perfect, just try to keep up.
Exactly. Some words might be missed, and that's completely okay.
Step 4, repeat the same clip multiple times.
Right, this repetition is where the real improvement happens.
Each time, you'll notice yourself keeping up a little better.
Exactly. Progress happens gradually, clip by clip.
Step 5, focus on rhythm and sound, not perfect word accuracy.
This is such an important point many learners forget.
Right, the goal isn't word-perfect repetition immediately.
It's training your mouth and brain to move naturally with English speech.
Step 6, gradually increase the length and difficulty of your clips.
As shadowing feels easier, choose longer or faster content.
This keeps you challenged and continuously improving.
This complete process might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective.
Absolutely. Let's talk about how often someone should practice this.
Great question. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily makes a real difference.
Right, consistency matters more than long practice sessions.
Exactly. Daily short practice beats occasional long sessions every time.
We've talked about this principle before, and it applies perfectly here too.
Absolutely. Small, consistent effort creates powerful long-term results.
Now let's talk about choosing the right content for shadowing.
Yes, this really matters for staying motivated.
Choose content that genuinely interests you.
Right, if you love movies, shadow movie scenes.
If you love news, shadow short news reports.
If you love podcasts, shadow podcast clips like this one.
Perfect example right there.
When content interests you, practice feels enjoyable, not like a chore.
Exactly. Motivation naturally increases with interesting material.
Also, choose content with clear pronunciation, especially when starting.
Right. Very fast or unclear speech can feel overwhelming at first.
As you improve, you can gradually try more challenging content.
This creates a natural progression toward advanced fluency.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about common mistakes people make with shadowing.
Yes, let's help our viewers avoid these common pitfalls.
Mistake number 1, choosing content that's too difficult too quickly.
This can feel discouraging and overwhelming for beginners.
Right. Start simple and build up gradually over time.
Mistake number 2, giving up after just one attempt.
Shadowing feels strange initially, and that's completely normal.
Right. Real improvement comes after repeated practice, not the first try.
Mistake number 3, focusing only on speed, ignoring pronunciation quality.
Balance matters here. Speed and clarity both need attention.
Exactly. Rushing without proper pronunciation limits real benefit.
Mistake number 4, practicing inconsistently.
Like shadowing intensely for 1 day, then stopping for 2 weeks.
Right, this breaks the momentum needed for real improvement.
Consistency truly is the secret ingredient here.
Mistake number 5, not reviewing your own progress.
What do you mean by that exactly?
Recording yourself occasionally helps track real improvement over time.
Ah, I see. Without recording, progress can feel invisible sometimes.
Exactly. Hearing your own growth builds motivation to continue.
These 5 mistakes are honestly so common but easy to avoid with awareness.
Absolutely. Now let's move to some more practical learning tips.
Yes, let's help our viewers really succeed with this technique.
Tip number 1, use subtitles for extra support when needed.
Right, especially in the beginning, subtitles help you follow along accurately.
As you improve, try practicing without subtitles too.
This challenges your listening skills even further.
Tip number 2, don't worry about sounding strange at first.
This is so true. Shadowing can feel awkward initially.
Right, but that awkward feeling fades quickly with practice.
Tip number 3, practice in private at first if that helps your confidence.
This removes pressure while you're still getting comfortable with the technique.
Exactly. Privacy can really help build initial confidence.
Tip number 4, combine shadowing with understanding the meaning too.
Right, don't just repeat sounds without understanding the content.
Understanding meaning makes the practice more effective and meaningful.
Tip number 5, celebrate small improvements along the way.
Notice when a difficult sentence starts feeling easier.
These small wins keep motivation strong throughout your practice journey.
Tip number 6, mix shadowing with other speaking practices too.
Right, shadowing works best as part of a complete learning routine.
Combine it with real conversations and self-talk practice as well.
This creates a really well-rounded speaking improvement system.
These tips together make shadowing an incredibly powerful daily habit.
Absolutely. Now let's give some real, practical examples our viewers can try today.
Yes, let's actually practice this technique together right now.
Let's imagine a simple sentence and demonstrate shadowing together.
Okay, I'll say a sentence slowly first, like an audio clip would.
And I'll try shadowing it, speaking almost exactly with Kate's rhythm.
I would like to improve my English speaking skills.
I would like to improve my English speaking skills.
Perfect example, Martin. That's exactly what shadowing looks like.
It felt strange, but also surprisingly natural once I focused.
Exactly. That's the exact feeling learners experience at first.
Let's try one more, a little faster this time.
She's planning to travel next month for her vacation.
She's planning to travel next month for her vacation.
Great job. Notice how your mouth naturally follows the same rhythm.
Exactly. It really trains that natural flow of speaking.
Let's try one more example, using a slightly longer sentence.
Perfect. Let's challenge ourselves a little more.
Learning English becomes easier when you practice a little every single day.
Learning English becomes easier when you practice a little every single day.
That's true. You matched that really well, Martin.
Thank you. It definitely takes focus, but it's totally achievable.
This is exactly the practice our viewers should try daily.
Absolutely. Even just a few sentences a day creates real improvement.
Let's give one final practical tip for starting shadowing today.
Great idea. Choose one short video you enjoy watching.
Play just one sentence at a time and try shadowing it.
Repeat that same sentence 3 or 4 times before moving forward.
This builds real comfort and confidence gradually, sentence by sentence.
Exactly. Small, consistent steps lead to big speaking improvements over time.
I genuinely believe this technique can transform someone's speaking abilities.
Me too, especially because it's so simple yet so often ignored.
That's exactly why we wanted to share it today.
Absolutely. Sometimes the most powerful methods are also the simplest ones.
Let's also remind everyone, don't expect instant perfection with shadowing.
Right. Real improvement happens gradually through consistent practice.
Even a few weeks of daily shadowing can create noticeable improvement.
Exactly. Patience combined with consistency always create real results.
I love how practical and accessible this whole method really is.
No expensive courses needed, just your voice and some audio content.
Exactly. Everyone watching today can start this practice immediately.
Absolutely, right after finishing this video even.
That's such a perfect way to put it.
So here's a question for all of you watching today.
Have you ever tried shadowing before watching this video?
If yes, tell us about your experience with it.
If not, will you try it today after learning about it here?
Tell us in the comments below. We really want to know.
Your answer might inspire other learners to try this technique too.
That's true. Sharing experiences really helps our whole community grow together.
And if you try shadowing this week, let us know how it feels.
We would love to hear about your progress and experience.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's video.
Let's do a quick recap before we finish.
First, shadowing means speaking along with audio at the same time.
Second, it trains your mouth muscles, speed, pronunciation, and confidence together.
Third, choose short, interesting content and repeat it multiple times.
Fourth, avoid common mistakes like choosing content that's too difficult, too fast.
Fifth, practice consistently, even just 10 to 15 minutes daily.
And finally, be patient. Real improvement happens gradually over time.
This technique truly is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking.
Absolutely, and now you know exactly how to start using it today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos.
We upload new episodes regularly to help you speak more confidently every day.
Thank you so much for watching until the end.
We really appreciate your time and curiosity today.
We will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Take care and try shadowing something today.
Bye, everyone. Speak along, and we'll see you very soon.